Hi, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound settings. Here we can see a ringtone notification volume panel. Just to mute the ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot. Also we can make it by another way, just first press up or down volume button here on the right side of our phone and click here on these three dots. After that we can see here the full volume panel section, and just to mute our ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot and then tap here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.